Welcome to Virginia Beach and the Marriott Sheraton, located directly on the beach. Let's take a tour, let's check it out, and let's have some fun. If it's spring break and you want to hit a beach resort located directly on the water, well, the Marriott Sheraton, Virginia Beach, it's a great option. It's a beautiful hotel and an amazing beach. When planning our Virginia Beach vacation, I chose this hotel for two particular reasons. Number one, it was reasonably priced at the lower end. So I trust in Marriott, so I trusted that it would still be a great resort for that price. Number two, beach access directly on the beach. Pretty cool lobby, pretty simple, just what you expect from a Marriott. Now, as we move into the lounge, restaurant, bar area, there's a few call outs here. Number one, breakfast in the morning, buffet style or a la carte. So it just depends upon what you're interested in. There is a fee. If you're a Bonvoy member, the breakfast is free. They'll give you coupons on the way in. We actually loved the buffet breakfast. The eggs were great, the bacon was awesome, and the fruit and pastries were really, really good. So we really enjoyed it. No complaints at all. From a coffee perspective, they have a bar that also serves Starbucks coffee drinks. So there's different drinks and espressos and lattes that you can get, and they'll make it for you right there. So pretty cool. And then at night, that is a alcohol bar. So then you could go down, have a drink and a snack there too as well. I was surprised to see on the second floor there was a conference area, so you could rent some rooms, have an event, and have some fun. Hey, you watching our video, we appreciate you. Thank you so much. While you're at it, give us a big thumbs up, let us know how we're doing in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe. Let's check out the exterior lounge areas and the pool. So a few different offerings. You can come out here, relax, and eat your food. You can grab a drink during the day, and you can enjoy the outdoor pool. Now, one call out, the pool is not heated. So we were here in April. It was a little chilly. Kids jumped in, but we did not partake in pool swimming on this particular trip. Now the cabanas looked pretty awesome. It seemed one was in use the day before. So there's a TV, a fridge, and a good lounge and shaded area for you. Now here's a good call out. We were here early April. With that said, it didn't look like they really cleaned up and got the outside ready for the guests yet. So it's a little bit of a downfall on their end. I'm sure they'll have that ready when they go ahead and open up for summer season. Now, how about that room tour? So pretty awesome room, double balcony. So it's a 1-bedroom king suite is what we got. And the bed folds out of the couch too as well. Small kitchenette, desk area, eating area, the bathrooms in the bedroom. So pretty simple, but pretty awesome. Let's take a look around. Now, everything worked as it should. Everything was clean as it should be. And I had no issues or complaints with this room. It was a basic room, but it worked and functioned the way we needed it to. And I had no opportunities at all. We enjoyed some beautiful sunrises right here from the balcony, which was really beautiful. You can see the pool area and what's going on down below from the room that we had, which was cool. Here's a shot of one of those sunrises. It was just amazing. A walk along the boardwalk will take you down to the Neptune statue, which is about a city block away, not far at all. There's a lot within walking distance. There's food, the Sensation stores. Go on a little bit of a longer walk and you'll get down to the fishing pier across the street. Has some activities. You can see the Ferris wheel in the background. So a lot going on in this particular area. So it's a pretty cool place, but it is a beach town. So I would recommend not planning other activities or looking for more to do. I would plan beach time. Get what you need, get on the beach, relax, and have some fun. We've come to the end of the video, but it's really not the end. Book a trip, get your butt to Virginia Beach, stay at the Marriott Sheraton, and just enjoy. Have some fun, let loose, and relax. Thanks for watching.